I should not be telling you guys this. I have, in my quest to support more Canadian stores, come across an amazing place to shop. This is an order I'm unboxing for you from Prairie Paper Haven. She's based out of Regina, Saskatchewan. I am off season with this, as I am with my crafting. Like, I just created this gorgeous album. I've been saving these collections, the Hey Pumpkin and Paige Evans Tricks and Treats collection, and I put together this album. I have a full flip through on my YouTube channel if you want to see that. But with this collection, I was lucky that I received her collection in the Sweet and Spooky class I signed up with, Scrapbooking Cards Today magazine, because if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't have got the collection. It sold out immediately, and I wanted to scoop up some more products from that and whatever I could find on this website, and then I added some other things, some Christmas and Halloween mostly, I think, is here. But let's take a look. She also gave me a little goodie bag. I'll open that at the end. Here's one non-Halloween Christmassy thing, and this is the paper clips from Market Square. I'm so glad that I got this, and the thing that I shouldn't be telling you is that she has an amazing sale on right now. So not only does she have some products on sale 25, 50, or 75% off, she also has an American Crafts 40% off code that goes on top of the discounts in some of the things she's already selling. So run over to her website. I will link it down below for you. And the reason why I shouldn't be telling you is because I should be shopping over there to scoop up her amazing deals. I've already put in 2 orders. I really have to stop looking. Maybe you guys could save me from myself. You can go over there and scoop up everything before I have a chance to think about buying any more stuff. But anyways, this is a Doodlebug album, and I use Doodlebug in combination with that mini album I just showed you, and I thought it would be cute to pick up some more of those papers because I really liked this collection a lot. And then alongside that, I did get the odds and ends, which are just beautiful ephemera pieces. And then I found some other Halloween themed items that are from Simple Stories, and they all really go well together. Like, you can't really go wrong with Halloween colors because they're pretty universal across collections. So I got these ephemera packs and these puffy stickers, like just all my favorite things. Let's stick with the Halloween before we move into the Christmas. So these are the paper that I bought, and that was primarily what I was after, was getting some nice 12 by 12 papers. I absolutely loved this cardstock. It's just gorgeous with these cut aparts, like adorable, like so cute. So it looks like we're mixing in our Halloween and Christmas here anyway. I got 2 of these. Absolutely adore these tags. I use them so much because of the backs being a perfect place to either frame a little photo or to journal on, or to create titles, or to add as an embellishment. Like, I just really get a lot of use out of them. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. I absolutely love Happy Hearts. I'm going to show you something. So here is a little place that I made, a like journaling sort of cover in my album here, and this was sent to me by Rachel Tallman in our latest Valentine's Day swap. And like this here, when I got this from Rachel, it reminded me so much how much I love this collection. And I look back on this spread that I had created previously, and I was inspired to pick up some more of these gorgeous papers because I had so much fun working with them, and I really love that color combination. That's what this is, the Happy Hearts. and a very unusual Valentine's themed collection. I got, again, more of these gorgeous tags because I can just not get enough of them. And that's the 2 sheets there. So many beautiful images. I love them so much. And this is another gorgeous page that I had to get 2 of. I can show you the back as well. So I picked up quite a few of these papers. So I thought I was getting a good deal. I'm pretty sure these were on sale. And then on top of that, now you can get an additional 40% off, but that only goes until April 11th. So head over there and check it out. I'm not affiliated with her. This isn't sponsored in any way. She is an absolute sweetheart. I've been chatting with her. She is such a beautiful person. Really enjoyed getting to know her just through making purchases off of her website. So that is the paper that I got. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love it so much. Then, ooh, that's interesting. Okay, I got this Late Afternoon from Amy Tangerine, this beautiful foiled vellum. And I'm glad that I picked that up. Ah, that's so funny. I really should pay better attention to what I'm buying. Not that I mind this. I actually just went and picked up the Market Square collection in its entirety of what she had left. And the funny thing about this is I didn't realize I had bought these, so I have repurchased some of those. Like I said, I never mind having more cut-aparts. I do not love this. This is not my favorite. So I doubt I'll be using that side at all, which I kind of like because it's always so hard to cut up all of these pieces and love the back side. So I do not love the back side of this at all. So that is helpful. But I just finished creating this with Shara Crane's class on a traveler's notebook, and so I really wanted to pick up some more collections. This is the Woodland Grove. I have absolutely always loved Maggie Holmes, and this inspired me making that traveler's notebook to do one in the Market Square. So you'll be seeing another unboxing coming from me with more products from this collection. But Maggie Holmes is so great because you can mix and match her stuff so easily that I'm always glad to pick up little bits and pieces of what she has available. So a couple more back to Halloween. We're really all over the map here. This one I got for this nice black spider web, Hocus Pocus from Spinning Webs from Hocus Pocus. That's the brand there. And I got this one for the cute skeletons. So these were the reasons why I got those, because you can really interchange this with any Halloween collection, just the black and a bit of an ivory as opposed to a white. But it's a nice texture to this paper as well. Definitely has a different kind of feel to it. Here's some more Halloween things that I picked up. I had previously purchased these sheets, Hey Pumpkin from Doodlebug. I actually used these. I found an unbelievable deal. These giant bags of candy that would normally be $5 each were on sale at the grocery store for 10 cents. Or 5 cents. Something absolutely ridiculous. I filled 2 entire grocery carts full of these bags of candy, and I gave them out to everybody at work. And I just took one of these cut-aparts, stuck it on there, Happy Halloween from Tony. I went around with a little Halloween mask on and delivered the candies all throughout the office. And everybody was like blown away. And I'm like, it was 5 cents. But it looked like a really cute presentation with a little tag saying it was from me, and I left them around the office for people who weren't even there. It was yeah, it felt like I was Santa Claus at Halloween. So here's what I really went for, these papers here with the tricks and treats. This was all that she had left. She didn't have a huge variety left. I don't love this paper, but I bought it for just the plain black and white, and I did use some of this paper as well in my projects, but this was all that I could get from this collection. So I thought I would scoop up some 12 by 12s of what she had left, because I still have quite a few products from this collection that I can use with it. And then I scooped up a variety of these stickers. I find these element sticker sheets from, I think this is Echo Park. Oh, Cartabella, same company pretty much. Yeah, Echo Park and Cartabella for both of these here. So I bought 3 different varieties. Again, you can see they really all sort of look like they could coordinate together, that traditional red and green and black. I absolutely love using these just to make quick little tags to put on my Christmas wrapping even. So I don't mind not having the entire collection. All of my papers just fell behind my desk. It's all good. Anyway, this is something that's fun. It was on sale, so I scooped that up. I also scooped up this. Now, I actually have an Evergreen and Holly album that I had done a class with Vicki Booten, and it came with one of these charms, and I decided to pick up the set because I am always making a Christmas album. This is the Christmas album I'm working on right now. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. I'm having a lot of fun working with a variety of different collections, and it's coming along pretty good. I'm about halfway through. So I thought anything that I can dangle off the sides of my albums or even off the top or whatnot will be a useful thing, since I'm always making a December daily every year. And then the last thing I'll show you is the freebie. And speaking of these gorgeous little dangles, she's actually included one in here for me. So this is the sad thing about this. So her name is Jody, and life has been really demanding for her right now. So she's actually, in the coming months, going to be having a number of random sales to clear out her products, because she is closing, maybe permanently, maybe temporarily. She said something in her life had to give, and so she's taking a break at the very least from her business, which is so sad because I just found her. And like I said, I'm looking to support more Canadian companies, and that was really sweet of her to include this little pack of fun freebies. So it looks like there. I actually love the little like glassine bag that she put them in, probably even more than some of the things inside of it. I have a real soft spot in my heart for these kinds of bags, and I'll probably use that again in one of my junk journals or something. So that is it. That is everything that I got so far. This is unboxing number 1. Lots of Halloween, Christmas. Like I said, I was looking for Halloween and Christmas. She has a ton of Maggie Holmes and crepe paper. I just picked up the entire Gingham Garden collection from crepe paper, or Gingham Party, or whatever. I didn't even know this collection existed. I haven't been buying a lot of collections lately because I've been doing a lot more junk journaling. I've been using stuff that I have, and so I kind of went a little crazy with all of the wonderful things she had. I did get the Market Square. I also got Sugar Plum Wishes or Kisses from Paige Evans. You're going to see all of that coming up on my channel soon. And yeah, I will leave some videos for you here if you want to take a look at these traveler's notebooks I've been making lately, which have inspired my latest orders. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.